Let's celebrate AliExpress this year 15th anniversary by shopping online as they giving away so many freebies and surprises. Enjoy big discount up to 80% off on selected items. You can collect also guys promo code that are available in their app. You can use this code in purchasing any products in different categories. Just explore and find items that suit in your taste. From high quality, good apparels, or any products that what your home needs. Apparently, AliExpress also giving back to their avid shoppers their super big deals where you can find all items and it's lowest price ever. Saying thank you to all its supporters that they giving away cashbacks and discounts up to $100 on selected items. As I exploring their product guys, I can see high rated items. It means that most of their products is trusted and recommendable. You can see lots of product is good quality and have a good feedback. At first, I hesitate to try AliExpress, but when I try this shopping app, I can say guys that it's worth it and you won't regret it. So guys, you must try to and experience and grab all the greatest deals that they offer on its anniversary. This is limited time only, so check AliExpress now. Once again, happy 15th anniversary to AliExpress. 15 years of amazing deals, fast shippings, and a global community. Thank you for being the ultimate online shopping destination.